Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup on the OPPO A5x. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to restore backup from the Google one. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. So as you can see, we are doing the setup process. We need to click on this blue arrow to go through. Now select your language and click on next. Select your region and then click on next. Click on next once again. And now we have an option about setting up using another device, but we want to click on skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually. So simply select the Wi-Fi that you want. I'm looking for the 5G option, so I'll refresh and it should be in here. Oh, actually, simply select your Wi-Fi. Now we need to type the password to it. Then click on save on the top right corner. Okay, we are connected. Now click on next. Okay, getting phone ready. This might take a few minutes, so we just need to be patient until everything is finished. Alright, now we have option to copy apps and data. We want to click on next. And now we need to select that we cannot use other device. Now click on OK. Okay, now we have checking information. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, and now we have the thing that we wanted to achieve. Now we have a possibility to log in into the Google account, and now it's really important. We need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. So now type the same mail that you were using to create a backup. Then click on next. And type password to your Google account. Okay. Oh, wait, I typed wrong. Okay. Click on next. Now click on next once again. Click on agree. Again, we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, and now we have a possibility to restore data using another device. So when it comes to that, we need to simply now select the backup that we want. So in here we have a list. I'll select that one. I need also to use my screen lock to go through. I mean the screen lock from this device before I created the backup. It is necessary. And now we need to choose what to restore. In here, simply select the things that you want. Make sure that everything is selected and click on restore. Now the process will start, so we need to wait until it's finished. And now we can set the unlock method. I'm going to skip it. You can always do it later in the settings. And now we need to go through the simple setup process. In here, simply click on accept. When it comes to the Google services, Now we have the backup options. Turn it on. I mean, everything is up to you, but it's really useful. So I'll turn on the backup. Now we need to choose our search engine. Click on next. In my case, I'll select the Google. Now click on continue. Okay. Okay, now we have the Gemini, the AI assistant. Click on continue. And we can enable the Hey Google voice command. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, next thing. In here, I'm going to click on no thanks. Okay, restoring process is going. So we need to wait. Okay, now we can connect to the mobile network. When we have our SIM card enabled, of course. In here, simply click on agree. Select your navigation method, then click on done. Now click on get started. Okay, it lagged, but now we are ready to use our device. Some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store, so don't turn off the Wi-Fi yet. You can check it in the notification bar as you open it, and you can see that some things are still being installed from the Play Store. So wait until everything is downloaded, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.